Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new video dedicated to the world of aviation. One of the most spectacular aerobatics in history was performed in 1976, when a hero called the Human Fly stood on the roof of a DC-8 aircraft that speed up to 300 miles per hour and at the height of 200 feet. The stunt was performed thanks to two people, the Canadian stuntman Rick Rojatt aka the Human Fly, and the famous Clay Lacy who was the pilot of the DC-8. But how was it possible to achieve such an extraordinary performance? The stunt sponsors were two brothers in Montreal who owned a pepperoni factory but were fed up with the sausage business, so they raised $200,000 and founded a promotional company whose opening number was in fact the Human Fly. Therefore they contacted the pilot Clay Lacy who had an available DC-8 he purchased when a handful of retired aircrafts were to be dismissed. Since he knew enough people in the FAA to receive the approval, in a few weeks an external seat was installed on the top of the aircraft. So, during the 1976 National Air Races at Mojave, the Human Fly stunt was performed twice during 15-minute flights. Unfortunately, in 1977, the stuntman Rick Rojatt attempted a motorcycle jump over 26 buses at Montreal Olympic Stadium, but he landed short, crashed and suffered several injuries. After the 1977 jump, the Human Fly retired and disappeared from the public life.